Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn how to run Rails generate scaffold when the model already exists. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what does this commands do? Right? If you want to generate a scaffold for a model that already exists, suppose you have already created the model. That the last video you can see that we have already created the migrations and the models, but you want to use this command, then how you can use it? Okay, so if you want to generate the scaffold for a model that already exists in the Rails applications, you can still use the Rails generate scaffold command, but you will need to take some extra steps. And what are the extra steps are? That means you have to run this command Rails generate scaffold product. This is our model here, because model and DB migrations you don't want to add, so add skip. Okay, so the skip option will prevent Rails from generating the model file and the migration file, and the rest controller views and the routes will automatically generated. You might want to manually review or modify these files if any customization is needed. Review and apply migrations. If you need to add new columns to existing model as a part of your scaffold generation, Rails will generate a new migration file. You should review this file to ensure that it contains only the necessary changes, then run db migrate. Okay, and the rest of the command, if you want to see what the generate have, you can go with Rails generate -h. Okay, so if I just copy this one, right, and try to run. Okay, so let's try to run it, and here you can see that what it says, that choose alternative or use skip collision on check or force this check to run this generator again. Okay, so you can please choose an alternative or use skip collision on check. So you can also go with this one, or just copy this and just added this. If they are saying something like this, skip collision check, so what they are saying, override products rb app models. So you can mention it under edge for help, or n. So if I put, because I don't want to override this model product rb, because in the last video we have already done this one with the validations part, so I don't want to skip it out. So what we have this, so if I go over here, invoke active record identical app models product, so conflict, so it will, you can see that app models product rb is skip. Okay, and the resources, that is creator, scaffold controller is created, views all are created. Here you can see that test unit cases are created. Okay, and skipping the migration, let's have a look for that one. So you can see that the controllers, we have the controllers products controller with all the functionalities like get, put and post, everything is there. Okay, so it will automatically generate everything, right? And what else, we have the views also automatically. So let's have a look for the views and the test cases. Where is views? Let's close this. This is views, this is products. Here you can see that all the files are coming up here. And the next one is migration. So migrate, this is not yet changed. Okay, so this is that, without, if you have already model and the migrations that you want to skip it out and do the rest of the generation, then this is the way that you can do. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.